Welcome back. Some unknown persons ransacked the house of Conceição de Silva in Colva. Conceição is also known as the famous theatrist Connie M. On Tuesday, robbers attacked his house and fled with cash. The cash was estimated to be 30,000 rupees. Other articles in the house were untouched.
This is how the robbers entered the house. 4 roof tiles of the house were dismantled, which gave them way into the house. Watching that the residents were out of the house, they plunged in. This incident occurred in the evening at about 6:30. They broke open the lock of the cupboard and fled with cash worth 30,000 rupees. Other items in the house were untouched.
About 8:30 mge Mrs. and Mac phone malo garako churi jali road pa lagile. So amelo itri solo gowns looking bolo mel magani between choilare so leal ma tumi ten dekla. Awi bilo उपरांत बंगार बाकी त्या वेळेला काम इतले काही सोयील ना बंगार पैसे पैसे वयले कितले ते मुझ्यान सांगपा जायना पूण वयले पैसे कॅश आयले ते आनी ते वयर नोड्यांतल्यान येले कारण म्हाका दिसता कोण जाण जालो वचपा जाय तो ते आलमारी वयल्यान देंवन पोतून तेच सायडी गेले ते.
Reporter Xaviers for Prudent.
Now news from sports. If the Goan cricketers were falling short on expert guidance at the Ranji level, they will not face that difficulty this season. Former India Test and One-Day International cricketer Surinder Amarnath, as the chief consultant coach, will be fine-tuning the seniors to excel at the highest level of Indian domestic cricket. Amarnath will also provide inputs to coaches and cricketers of all age group teams.
I have with me the chief consultant coach appointed by the Goa Cricket Association to guide the Goan cricketers. With me here now is Surinder Amarnath, who is of course the former Test and ODI cricketer for India. How do you sum up this challenge for you?
A very exciting job, and it's really a challenge to see at least entire age group. And I'm sure that we all find some talent at least for Goa and do the wonders for them.
So just elaborating into it, across the age groups means your coaching advice would be really going through a plethora of different levels. You have to see the under 14 players and then the Ranji levels. Of course, you will be giving the inputs to their respective coaches, but overall, how would your philosophy be towards your job?
Well, most of the things I'll be, guiding them. And for the senior season probably team, I'll be giving them my final points. Yeah. And whenever the coaching requires, I'll definitely like to do it myself. And for the younger boy who are upcoming, definitely need more attention. Yeah. And it's entirely the coaches and all that depends on them how we can plan out, because I hardly got time to do that. Yeah. So I'll just sit all the age group coaches and plan out the things for future. And do the job.
This time the Ranji format is different. How do you?
No, I really find it very fascinating and very good for the teams. At least they get more matches to play. And the more matches they play, the more time they to perform. And definitely it's better for Goa also, because
and only 2 top teams from a group qualify for the.
Yes, that's still okay. I mean, it's better than the previous one. They were giving 4 to 5 matches earlier.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Dhempe College will lock horns with Don Bosco College of Engineering from Fatorda on Friday to determine who will be crowned Varsity Football champions. St. Xaviers Mapsa lost to Dhempe in Wednesday's semi-finals in the penalty shootout. Father Agnel Pilar were left high and dry by debutant Don Bosco College of Engineering, who have been impressive in their maiden Varsity Football tournament.
The first semi-final played between Dhempe and St. Xaviers was won by Dhempe's. The college from Panjim defeated St. Xaviers in a penalty shootout after both teams started in the attacking style but were not able to score in the regulation time, and the match ended 0-0. In the penalty kicks, the Xavierites could not replicate their quarter-final success and lost to the city-based college. In the second semis, Don Bosco College of Engineering Fatorda also defeated Father Agnel Pilar by a tiebreaker after both teams were tied 1-1 at the end of regulation time. Agio Antau opened the account for Don Bosco in the 21st minute, while Atish Sawant drew level in the 60th minute for Father Agnel. However, in the penalty shootout, Bosco's Fatorda held their nerve and won 4-2 on penalties. Friday will see Dhempe take on Don Bosco Fatorda for the coveted Varsity Football title. From Talegaon, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.